Well, here it is, folks. The French Gulch Park. It's like they have a place for horseshoe tossing. Must be a big competition sometimes. Beautiful place. And right now we have this rushing water. Which not normally is like this, but as you can see, I mean that's fast moving water. I wouldn't want to be in here, but let's go take a look. Kind of looks like the water came up to here, to this point, by the looks of the leaves. There's the road. Maybe another, let's say maybe another 8 feet. So a couple days ago, water was up to here, up to the top steps here. Now you can walk down a little bit and see this river, this fast moving river. Oh, it's awesome. Used to be able to walk all the way, I guess all the way over here, or somewhere over here. And wow, these trees are inundated, but as you can see, the water level was pretty high before. I guess it came up another maybe about 4 feet, 5 feet, about 4 feet to the top here and went over. So yeah, the rain has let up a little bit. You see, it's a beautiful place to have a picnic, and there's another runoff over there, a little mini waterfall. You can see. This water is coming from the mountain, and wow, look at the way it's moving. Yeah. French Gulch, California. Today's the 12th of January. Please subscribe.